Agar. Agar is a product derived from seaweed. It is valued for its gelatinization properties and is commonly used to solidify nutrient media for sterile tissue culture. Many recipes for nutrified agar can be found online. Some of the ingredients could be potatoes, oatmeal, cornmeal, or grain water. There's a variety of sugars that can be used as well, like corn syrup, light malt extract, sorghum syrup, or even table sugar or brown sugar. You could use a variety of colors too to distinguish between the different recipes that you use. You can pour your agar media into petri dishes for research, like germinating spores or expanding mycelium, or you can pour your agar media into slants for long-term storage. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite recipe is. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Thank you.